na mwanchwa omorigereri rituko ria lero abamenyi ba Nyanchwa abo baena togore mogochia ase ekanisa ya Nyanchwa boigo ase esukuru ere na boigo enyagitari nigo banyaka bagwasoka rituko ria lero na korokia gotaga kyo kwabo ase egotebekana huna nigo endimero iye kanisa eyo yao nigwe asinjira chobo tutukanu kolende nonye nabo omoteneri bwa mang'ana ya omoteneri bwa baerarani bwa mang'ana ase ekanisa gosensemo ya South Kenya Conference niganyarka baga gotugutira amang'ana ayo asanyarka baga goteba buna bolemo boijo gosende meroteo yao nigwe gose gokuruma korwa chinsemo echo.
The total acreage that was donated was 42 acres. Whatever has been done in here, we are not very sure, but we are still investigating. And the moment we get the acreage that has been grabbed, then we will not hesitate but to come in public and tell our people this has been grabbed from us. But they should respect our institutions and they should respect our community land.
As you all know that for the last 3 months or 2 months ago, now this hospital is not operating because it's under corruption. SHA thing is affected now the treatment, and we as the locals around, we are not happy. We are feeling so much neglected, so much like segregated. We are not into any discussions.
We want to audit the human resource in this hospital because nobody from the community is employed here or offering any services.
Any qualified staff.
So even the person who are leading this hospital, they are not qualified. So all those human resources are supposed to be audited, and the company, we demand to be told who is the owner of this company that the hospital land is registered under.
We are having some clues that this Nyanchwa Adventist and Nyanchwa Health Center now is under somebody's land, and it's limited. You know, when it's limited, we feel that it's somebody's.
Pastor Job Obara, the communication director for South Kenya Conference. But I heard and I've been called, along with the other leaders, what is happening. I want to recognize their concerns from members of the Nyanchwa community. But let me say there is a complete misunderstanding and misrepresentation of information. We have nothing much that we can say at the moment. Because some of the things which I've heard is that Nyanchwa land has been sold. It's not sold. Some people have allocated themselves land in Nyanchwa. It's not. This is a lease land. And lease land is not community land. It is county government land. And we are responsible tenants at this place.